Using the Salbree popcorn popper is super easy. First, expand the popcorn popper. Next, add 1/4 cup or fill to the bottom line with your favorite popcorn kernels. Next, place the lid loosely inside the bowl. Use the 2 handles to place in the microwave and cook for 2 to 4 minutes. Carefully remove the popcorn popper from the microwave and enjoy a healthy snack. Toppings optional. The Salbree popcorn popper features a collapsible, space-saving design, is made from food-grade silicone, is dishwasher-safe, and comes in an assortment of colors. Salbree, traditional quality, modern design.